Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. For today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to crochet snowflake motif. Super easy and it goes super fast. So let's get started. Okay, this one I have crocheted this with thread. So for the tutorial, I'm going to be using cotton blend yarn, which is Caron Cakes cotton, and then it is 4-weight, I believe. Let me see if I can. Yeah, it's a 4-weight, and I'm going to use it's 60% cotton, 40% acrylic, and it's a 4.5 millimeter. I'm going to use it says a 5, but I'm going to use a 4 crochet hook. Okay. So to start, I'm going to do the magic loop. Four millimeter crochet hook. Going to chain 2. So we're going to create a total of 6. There's 6 divided 6 pieces. To do that, we're going to make 6 sets of 2 double crochets, and then there's 2 chain in between. Okay, so I am going to count this. I'm going to do 3 chain instead of 2, and then I'm going to make a double crochet. Let me see if I can make this a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to make a double crochet right into that. If you don't want to do the magic loop, you can chain 4, and then chain 2, and then make 2 double crochet. Chain 2, 2 double crochet. So this is the third. I'm going to make 3 more. 1, 2, and 2, 2, 4, 2, 4. So this is the 5th. Then the last 6. Chain 2, then 2 double crochet. Going to chain 2, and then I'm going to join. I'm going to pull this as tight as I can, and then right here I'm going to make a single crochet. So I joined. Okay, this is how it looks like. So we finished the middle part here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to make popcorns. You can see there's 2 popcorn here. So in the middle where the 2 double crochets are, we're going to make 2 popcorn. Okay, to do that, I'm going to chain 3 to go up, just to show you. One, 2, 3, and then I'm going to make total of 5 double crochet. It's going to be tight, well, including this 3 chains, so I'm going to make 4. So 2, 3, I'm counting the chain as well, 4, and then 5, just a regular double popcorn stitch that we make. So I just pull my, and then I pull it, just secure it, and then on the same, where the two double crochet is, I'm going to make another popcorn. So I'm going to make a total of 5 double crochets right in there. 2, 3, 4, 5, and then come back here at the first stitch, and then chain 3, and then go down here where we did the 2 chain, make a single crochet, and then chain 3 to go up, just like this. And then again, I'm going to make popcorn right here in that, between that 2 double crochet. So 5 double crochets to create the popcorn. Secure it, and then make another popcorn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then come back where the first double crochet is and pull it, chain 3. So we're going to repeat this all the way around. Make a single crochet where the 2 chain is, 3 to go up again, and then repeat this popcorn. 2, 3, 4, 5. Chain 1, and then make another popcorn. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I will finish this, and I will meet you at the end when we're going to join, because it's just to repeat what I'm doing. Chain 3, go down, make a single crochet where the 2 chain is, chain 3, go up, and then repeat this until we have a total of 6. So I have 3 more to go, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm almost done. It's only done 3 rows, and then we're done with it. 1, 2, 3, and that's it. So I finished the second row, so we're going to do the last row. So I did my 3 chain, and I'm just gonna single crochet and 3 chain to go up, and then right here, I know it's tough, but we can work it out. Can you see? Let me show it on this. So what we did is we joined. Can't even find where I started. My goodness. So we're going to join right here. Yeah, I can't see where I started. I think it was here somewhere. Okay. Well, actually, 2 more rows we're going to do. Okay, so I am going to join with a single crochet right in the middle where the popcorn stitches are, right here, like this, and I'm going to chain 3 to go up. And then what we're going to do is we're going to crochet 2 sets of 2 double crochets and 3 chain in the, I'll make 2 chain. I don't want it that big between space. So that's what we're going to be doing. Okay, so I'm going to consider this as 1 double crochet, and then I'm going to make my second, chain 2, and then make 2 double crochet just like this, and we're going to chain 3 and then just go where the single crochet is, chain 3 again, go up 1 2, and then come between where the 2 double crochet 2 popcorn is, and then make 2 double crochet, 2 chain, and then make another 2 double crochet, 3 chain, and then go down again, make a single crochet on top of the single crochet, chain 3, go up where the between the 2 popcorn and make 2 double crochet. So I will repeat this and I will meet you at the end of the row because there's nothing else to be done. So simple, so easy, and it goes so fast. You can make this, use this for anything you want. You can decorate your tree. You can I use them on my packages. I put them on my packages and I tie them. It looks nice, especially around this time of the year. Okay, so I'll meet you at the end of the row. Okay, so I'm at the end of the row, and well, I mean end of the row of this when you count it, so it's only 1 2 3. Then we're going to start the 4th row, which is the last one. So I'm going to chain 3, and then I'm going to join right here, make a single crochet. Now we're going to do picots. Let me show you the motif, and then we're going to create these picots all the way around to give this nice snowflake. Okay, so we're going to chain 4, and then right here, this is how I do I go between and I make a slip stitch. Okay. So I'm going to come right here where the 2 chain is, and I'm going to make a single crochet, and then I'm going to chain 7 2 3 4 5 6 7, and then I'm going to make a single crochet right in that same 2 chain is. Then I'm going to chain 4 3 4, then I'm going to make a picot right here, single crochet, and then I'm going to jump where the 2 double crochet is, then make a single crochet, and I'm going to chain 4 3 4, and then I'm going to make a picot, single crochet. Okay, I'm going to slide here, and then I'm going to make a single crochet where the 3 chain is, and this is how it looks like. Gives you this nice texture. So when we come here, I'm going to make my last picot and then have 2 here to finish it up. So I'm going to chain 3, and then I'm going to make again single crochet on top of the single crochet. So what we've been doing is we're making single crochets on top of single crochet, as you can see right here. So that's all we're doing. Chain 3, and then again right here make a single crochet to secure it, and then I'm going to make a picot right there, 1 2 3 4, chain, and then make a single crochet between the 2 double crochet, chain 4, then make a picot. And I jump where the 2 chain is, then I chain 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and then I come again on that same 2 chain is, and then I make a single crochet just to secure it, so it gives you this nice V, upside down V. You can starch this and it will become more like a snowflake. Usually this works with cotton yarn, anything that you have a thread, so it gives you that stiffness and it stays flat. Okay, so I'm gonna again chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then make a picot. Slip stitch, and then jump where the 2 chain is. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then make a picot. Go to the chain and make a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then go on top of the single crochet, just like this. 1, 2, 3, and then again here where the 3 chain is, make a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm repeating over and over, total of 6 times to finish up this lovely snowflake. And I go between and make a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then make a picot right there. Then jump where the 2 chain is, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then again single crochet on the same, and then make a picot again. So I will repeat this and I will meet you at the end. This is all to it. It's only done in 4 rows to give you this nice texture. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm almost done. I did my single crochet on top of the single crochet, so you will see there's 3 single crochets on every row that we have crocheted. So I did my 3 chain, and I'm just going to make a single crochet where the 3 chain is, and then make my picot, and I will finish it up. 1, 2, 3, 4 chain, just like this, and then I will secure it. I usually go, I'm sorry, I hope you saw that I went up a little bit for some reason, because I'm bending over, and it's I always go up. Okay, so on the back I just do a slip stitch and I chain 2 just to secure it, and then I cut my yarn, my thread, and then I weave it the back. This is how it looks like on the back, and you just weave it just like this, and this is how you make this snowflakes. As you know, every snowflakes that falls down, they're all in different shapes, so this is one of them. And like I said, you can spray starch or you can starch it, and then it will look way better. It will look stiffy. And I will put the small one just to show you. And this is how you crochet. So I hope you like this tutorial. I just wanted to share. And I do have another one coming up. I will tape that tomorrow. So stay tuned for that one as well. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Share it with your family and friends. And happy crocheting!